Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing and turning on your notification as I have new uploads every week. Now today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty oven grilled tilapia that will leave you begging for more, and I cannot forget to say the aroma from this fish is absolutely delicious. So we'll start by preparing the marinade. So for that I'll be using 3 cloves of garlic, ginger about a thumb size, rosemary leaves, 1 large onion, and if you wish to use chili you can add that as well, and I have a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Now once you've got all your ingredients, it's time to blend them. Once that is done, we'll cook the marinade for about 5 minutes, have it simmer, and this will really help to intensify that flavor, and you can even smell the beautiful aroma that's coming from the marinade itself. So once you're done cooking, set it aside to cool down before using it on the fish. So here is my fish. I've already cleaned it, so I'll cut incisions. I'll try and make them a little bit just marinate the fish really well all round, and once you're done you can set it in your fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes so that it can set really well and soak in all that goodness. So once that is done, prepare your grill. So I have my oven already preheated at 450 Fahrenheit. So I'll brush some oil in my grill just to help the fish not stick to the grill when it's grilling in the oven, and I also added an aluminium foil underneath so to get that juices that will be flowing from the fish and the marinade, so just to keep your oven clean. Next, put your fish in the oven and let it bake for about 10 minutes. Fish really cooks fast, so we'll cook one side at a time. So I'm going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. here is the fish out. It's about 10 minutes now, and I'll put some marinade. I'll brush some marinade to it and then flip it over and cook the other side for about 5 to 7 minutes because it's pretty much cooked by now. So I'll put the marinade on top as well of this other side so that it can grill as well. So once the fish has grilled completely, the other side, you can see the beautiful color in it. It's time to serve it. So here is the fish. I actually served it with some salad or kachumbari, and it tasted so delicious, and I thought I should show you guys the inside as well. It's moist and juicy and succulent. This fish smells so good and it tasted absolutely delicious. So I really hope you did enjoy this recipe. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't, and share this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.